Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay. Today I'm going to have a presentation about making a natural soap. Actually, we use soap many times a day, but most of us don't care about the chemical materials that are added to the soap, which is very harmful to our skin. So, in this presentation, I will explain the materials and the process of making a natural soap. If you have questions, I'll be happy to take your questions after the presentation is finished. Firstly, let me tell you the things that are needed to make the natural soap. We need to prepare a natural soap base, which is the basic thing to make a soap. And then we need natural bath salt. In Korean, we call it iryokjae. And then we need natural carrier oil, which is extracted from plants. And we also need natural essential oil, and it is stronger than the carrier oil, so we use only a little amount to make the natural soap. And then we also need various kinds of molds to make the shape of the soap. And lastly, we need powdered herb, which is good for curing atopy and acne. Now I will go over the stages of making a natural soap. The first stage of making a natural soap is preparing stage. We have to prepare the natural soap base and cut into dices and put into the stainless bowl, and then put it on the hot plate until it is melts into liquid. Nextly, we have to put 1 spoon of powdered herb and put carrier oil and mix together. And then put each colors of bath salt into each different paper cup. Then the first stage is finished. The second stage of making a natural soap is making soap stage. In this stage, we have to pour the melted soap base into the mixture. Before pouring, we have to pour a little amount of essential oil into it. And firstly, we have to pour the bath salt mixture into the mold to make the color points of the soap. Like this, you can make color points of the soap. And after it is hardened, it becomes like this. And as you can see, this pink part is the soap, bath salt mixture. And then we have to pour the herb and oil mixture into the stainless bowl. And then pour into the mold until the mold is filled with mixture. The last stage of making a natural soap is drying and wrapping stage. Place the mold in the cool place for about 30 minutes, and after it is completely hardened, you have to take the mixture apart from the mold. Then the natural base soap is finally made. You can use it right away, and if you want to keep it, you can wrap it like this, and then put stickers to fix it. And these are the soaps that my aunt and I made. And that makes the process of making a natural soap base, preparing, making, and drying the natural soap. So I'm sure that this natural soap will help your tired and troubled skin get better. And if you want to use the natural soap, please don't buy it and just make it yourself. It is not that difficult. So if you want to try it, I'll be happy to help you. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.